'cause all that's waiting is regret. And don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You lost the love I loved the most. And I learned to live half alive, and now you want me one more time.
Hi, I'm Steph,
And I'm Kelsey,
and we are students at Studio 34.
part of Bridgend College.
This is a film about what teenagers think of Bridgend Town. Bridgend has a great college which offers exciting courses for both teenagers and older people. There are fantastic facilities like Costa Coffee Shop, a training restaurant, a hair and beauty salon, and even a full-size theatre. The new Sony Theatre is great for holding big community events and shows. Here we see the Freshers' Fair, where teenagers and students can get information and advice on lots of things in and around Bridgend.
Now look here, my wife is perfectly healthy, she's doing fine. And I don't need you checking up on me 24/7, so please, leave me alone.
As an artist, I always get a bit nervous before we go to the next city thinking, whoa, what's the reception going to be like? But last night at Cardiff, it was not expected at all. We had so much fun, and I'm sure, the audience had fun as well.
Yes, ich bin bei mir. Mein Kongo ist wunderbar, aber hat viel Problem Politik. Und die Königin hat nicht mehr etwas zu essen. Oh mein Gott, ich bin ein Kongolese.